We had a few early ones that were very small companies, TSM Mobile. I don't even know if you're familiar with that. It's like things that our
Not sure, but there's tons of them out there. There's just literally hundreds of them out there.
There is now, and now they just seem to be kind of exploding all over the place. So back then it was whatever the preferred vendor our corporate office signed a deal with, and so we got on board with them back early on. And this was a small one, and then we ended up having to leave them because they couldn't handle the capacity as our franchise system grew at a rapid pace. 10 years ago, they couldn't keep up with the volume. And so then we had to switch off. And then we were with Teletrac, Navman Teletrac for a while.
Sure.
We had most recently for the last number of years. And then we ended up switching into your stuff. So they were just kind of behind the curve on the tech, honestly. Everything they were still offering up until last year was hardwired and antenna amplifiers and all nonsense that you had to spend hours on end installing, or in most cases had to hire an installer because it was just to do on our own.
That's a big headache.
And so there's cost hundreds of dollars to put a new unit in, kind of thing. And so we were looking at what else was available, like Samsara and your products and things that were the ODB2 plug and play. And we're like, man, that looks so much simpler. It's less expensive. The startup cost was lower. Everything about it was lower. Obviously, the monthly price point was attractive to us with you guys. You guys came in a little below the industry standard for the monthly fees, which it doesn't sound like a lot when you're talking a few bucks a month, but when you're talking 20 to 40 bucks, and it's thousands of dollars in our pocket at the end of the year. So
definitely.
So we definitely like that. So so we've definitely used a few of them. I actually test sampled, I don't even know, probably 6 or 7 different units before I settled on yours for to. I tried, the keep trucking, Samsara, like a lot of the ones that are advertising currently, and honestly, your units were just quite frankly, they were the least expensive, the easiest to install, or just as easy as the more expensive units. And no contract, which we like, you know what I mean? We're the kind of business that tries to stay cash heavy, just in case COVID. It's like, you never know. You
gotta be prepared. You gotta be prepared.
We don't have cell phone contracts, none of that. So we really liked the idea that there was no contract. It was just month to month, and it was, hey, these guys are kind of putting their money where their mouth is. They believe in their product enough. They're willing to give me a unit and just let me go for whatever length of term, and they're confident enough to know that I'm going to like their product and stick with it for a while. And so far, so good. Yeah. So.